Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat Pdeng pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri jangka Sorkar Pdeng berai pej yang ketenat Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways, Unitin Gatkari, henin kasni ke arpsan terik unai lor, arja katpra, ulai tu baka Sorkar Pdeng kelamang pisa, katpra hajar, praspa andrup kendai Klur tingka, syaka jela Meghalaya, tang nak kebenta ban Shna pendep iki Surok, hakajing ken kulum, kajing cengai ke balong kumba, si hajar aspa kendai pesan kilometer. Unitin Gatkari hakajikran berkinong pathai kubor, hadin balawai ke jelang hapo State Convention Center, ulai tu ba kajing pentrai ya ke Surok ke bejrong san pu ar kilometer, hakajing lot ke ba san spa ar pu Klur tingka. La pentrai sasha kat ba ki bedang dan hakajing penkre ya ke detail project report kalong nak ke benta ban Shna ke Surok ke bejrong san spa kendai kilometer, hakaba lamang pisa prahajar nrus spa prapun ru Klur tingka. Kat bana kini ke Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways kelapan kre ru ya ke projek ban Shna ya ke Surok Meghalaya ke bejrong nrus spa 10 kilometer, hakajing lot ke bankot kendai hajar nrus spa nrus pulai Klur tingka. Nakaliang uni menteri jong Sorkar Pdeng ulai thuru ba nakaliang ke Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways kelaban syat hak Sorkar jela ban pendep ya ke jing simjaka nak kitrai kendo bat ya ke Forest Clearance nak ke Ministry of Environment and Forest kenang berpurulong yakini projek Shna Surok bala IT syaka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited.
Meghalaya, the total project length is 1,295 km, which is with the NHIDCL. The cost involvement is 18,869 crores, out of which 52 kilometer length is in progress. The cost involvement is 520 crores, and 1,243 kilometer of length cost involvement is 18,349 crore is the DPR process. As long as we complete the DPR, the land acquisition process will start and will start this project. The other works which are with the state PWD given by our ministry, that is the work of National Highway, that is the different story. Meghalaya, the 12 kilometer length civil work is in progress, cost involvement is 164 crores, and to be sanctioned this year is 159 crores, the total is 323 crores. Now we want to withdraw NHI from Northeast, but presently NHI has completed work of 850 km costing rupees 7,000 crore in Northeast region. In Assam, the NHI is carrying out works in 4 number of projects. Total length is 96 km costing rupees 821 crore. 2 number of projects will be completed in December 2018 and balance 2 number of projects will be completed in February 2020. In Meghalaya, NHI is carrying out work in 1 number of project. Total length is 62 km, costing 536 crore. This project will be completed by October 2018. So as far as the north is concerned, by adding this amount of NHI 7,000 crore, it is coming to 1,90,000 crore. So 1,90,000 crores already. Out of which 7,000 crore is from NHI, 1,60,000 crore from NHIDCL, and 17,257 crore from the ministry. Our government is giving the highest priority for development of infrastructure in Northeast. We are getting good results, but we need cooperation for land acquisition, environment forest clearance, utility shifting, encroachment, where state government is important. Land acquisition also our agency is the state government, and we need cooperation from them. In 2 days meeting, we have a review of every project. We understand what are the problems and where is the problem is there. So the contractor was also present here. The state PWD officers, NHIDCL officers, Environment Forest Ministry, all are present. And with the discussion, we find out the way out and we resolve lot of issues. But now we have taken a decision, and I have already given direction to my DG that additional DG who are responsible for these projects in the states, they are supposed to come every 3 to 4 months here in the state. They will take the review meeting and they will find out the problems and resolve the issues. At the same time, I am requesting the chief ministers and the concerning minister and the chief secretary that every 3 to 4 months you take the review meeting, call all the officers of NHIDCL and the ministry. We will cooperate, find out the problems, resolve the problems. It will be more easy to accelerate the road construction in the state.